Alright, we're gonna be testing this. This is my live reaction. I'm gonna be turning up the volume as we go if she doesn't press pause. This song is slow, 24 hertz and up. It's mainly 24. I gotta adjust the volume because I don't want to break the walls. Oh, it's good. God damn, should not have done that. I might be able to put something in between there. Oh, I think the whole windowsill's falling off. Dude, I gotta figure out something. I can get some glue and glue this. And I can seal this. It's on low power. I can't even hold it.